So you're probably wondering why I'm in a forest right now. So I thought today I'd share with you a little day in my life, behind the scenes at Frainie Design. It's 7:30 at the moment, we're just on a dog walk. This isn't every morning, but I thought it'd be a nice one to show you guys. I've just ordered loads of Father's Day products yesterday and some prints for orders and packaging. So I'll show you that when I get back. And I've got some coronation drawings to finish off. I'm a bit last minute. Yeah, I'll show you that when I get back. Hope you enjoy this video. Just made my breakfast. Super healthy for me today. I'm not usually this healthy. And I just bought this Dirty for Focus. It's Lion's Mane mushroom powder. And I'm really struggling at the moment. I mean, it looks disgusting. I've just added some milk and hot water, which really doesn't look great. Yeah, I'm really struggling with focus, and well, I always struggle with focus, so I thought I'd try this. Could be a complete scam, or it could be good, but we shall see today. Got 4 prints to go out today. Let's see them. So that's Newcastle, roller skate, retro roller skate, Glasgow, and Switzerland. It's Mount Zermatt. Hey, so I'm back in my office now. I've had a shower and put some makeup on, so I look a little different than I did earlier. Yeah, I've just printed off my orders. I thought I'd share with you my Father's Day collection. So as I said earlier, I've sent my Father's Day collection off to print now. But before I do that, I always test out a little print myself of all the products to make sure I'm happy with the quality of the images, well, the colours and the pattern, see if there's anything that I've missed while I was looking at it on the screen. So I thought I'd share with you that now. So for this collection, I've done 2 cards, and the theme has been fungi, because every dad loves mushrooms, and I know my dad does especially. We used to go foraging for them as kids, so it's quite sentimental. And also rock pools was the other theme. So I've got the lobster and crab and everything like that. So yeah, these are the 2 cards. I've just printed them. They're slightly smaller than they will be when I get them, when they come. And yeah, as you can see, I can check all the little details and just the colours and everything like that, and I'm really happy with them. These are 2 of the wrapping paper swatches as well to scale to go alongside the cards. Yeah. So I'll show you as well, this purple, when you do it on, when you draw on your iPad, it's in RGB, which is always a lot more vibrant. You can only print in CMYK, which is what these 2 are. You've got to cater for that when you print, especially with like purples. They always look really different when you print them. But yeah, I'll show you what I mean when I show you on the screen. Really happy with how these have come out. So as you can see here, the printed sample in CMYK is not as vibrant as the RGB, which is the illustration on the screen. So what I would recommend is that you print off your samples, your swatches, just to make sure you're happy with the colour profile. Tweak the artwork if you're not, and keep printing until you're happy. And then make sure when you send it to print that you're using the same exporting profile for the colours as your printer is, so that it'll be as accurate as possible to what you want it to look like.
But sometimes somebody else might not understand how important it is to, but a friend give it.
Well, it is. I mean, we just aren't prepared.
I literally just need a bed. I don't even need the bed frame yet. And
so originally I wasn't going to design a collection for the coronation. I was so focused on Father's Day that I kind of forgot about it really. But sometimes personally I like to create a bit of artwork to commemorate like certain times in history. So if you follow my Instagram, then you would have seen that I tried gouache paint out for the first time, and I attempted to do a little portrait of King Charles that I was going to stick in my bathroom. It's just a silly little painting for the bathroom, bit of decoration. But then I kind of decided that I would do a collection. As you can tell, not everything is to plan behind the scenes. Obviously at Father's Day and Mother's Day, I have them all figured out, but for things like coronations and events, I do forget. So yeah, I decided to draw a King Charles Spaniel, just because I thought it'd be quite cute. and I've recoloured my commemorative print for when the Queen passed away of I got my throat, Balmoral, Windsor Castle and Buckingham Palace, just as a cute like mark of history, because I guess it might be a once in a lifetime. Well, hopefully not, unless King Charles lives for like 100 years or I die really early. Oh god. I thought I'd share with you the prints that I have just finished designing. Here we have this little guy, King Charles Spaniel. I don't know if this is blasphemous or not, to celebrate the King's coronation with a picture of a dog, but oh well. I hope it's not offensive. This is obviously the crown jewels and little British flag. And then this is the God Save the King print that I've recoloured. Originally God Save the Queen, it had the two rainbows to mark Prince Philip and the Queen. If you remember, the double rainbow over Buckingham Palace. And yeah, I've just recoloured this in blue, white and red. So yeah, I hope you like them for the coronation. So now I've got the prints, I now need to get them on my website, and to do that I need to make some mock-ups. So let's make some mock-ups, shall we? So first of all, you need to find your photo. So I got a load of mock-ups done by my good friend Josie, who's a photographer. I'll put her link in the bio. Go to File, Place Embedded here. Find the print, so I've got it here. Then you rescale to the dimensions of the frame, and then set the opacity of the image to multiply. It'll then look like it's sat in there, but that's not all. So because I've embedded this, and then I need to unembed it obviously to allow myself to transform the image. So I'll then go to Edit, Distort, and you'll have these little toggles at the corner. Zoom in and then drag each corner to the edges of the frame just to get the most accurate placement of your print. If you buy a pre-made template, this will all be done for you. You'd link here, you'd click that, and then it would take you to a new file, and you add your clip and your print, save it, and then it would automatically save here. But this is how I do it for these. So yeah, there you go. There is your print edited to the image, and it literally looks like it was there all along. So being a full-time illustrator, artwork can sometimes get a bit stunted. So I've been doing the same style since 2019 now, and as much as I absolutely love it, I do struggle to know what to draw sometimes. I originally started doing travel prints, which were great during the lockdown, and people were trying to find places to escape to while locked inside. I've really enjoyed doing patterns recently for like my Father's Day collection, Mother's Day, all that kind of thing. I'd really love to do more of that. I've always loved painting. I bought some gouache paint maybe last year on Amazon, and it's really cool, really colourful. And I tried to do some paintings the other day. I've decided that every Friday afternoon is now a creative afternoon, just to kind of let loose, not try and make art for any particular purpose other than to develop new skills and develop my style a bit further, just so that I can come out with better work, better products. So yeah, that's been really fun. I also had a little play around with clay the other day, which was fun. I'm really not good at it yet. I was a bit impatient, to be fair, so I'm going to have another go at that, and made this little strawberry dish. I just think it's really important as a creative, as an artist, as a small business, to get outside your comfort zone sometimes and explore different mediums and styles, just so that you don't become like stagnant and, I don't know, like lose the passion a little bit. I have wanted to do some full-scale paintings for ages, so I'm really hoping I can find the time to do some paintings. If not for sale, then just for my own house to decorate, because if you didn't know, I just bought this house with my boyfriend last October. It's our first house, and it's a renovation, so it needs a lot of work. And lots of artwork, obviously, to go in it. I think it's really important to just stay creative and keep the passion alive, because as much as I love drawing, there is big periods where I'm like, what am I doing? Looking at other people's work, comparing myself, which I know is like the worst thing you can do. It's great to kind of push yourself though, and to feel like have that little bit of competition sometimes to drive yourself. But at the end of the day, the only person you need to be competing with is yourself to become better and better every day. And I need to take that advice. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please leave a like and leave a comment of what you want to see next. I'm just taking this little video thing quite casual at the moment, trying to get into it. I've always wanted to do a little YouTube channel and show you more behind the scenes, get more creative, maybe do some tutorials. So I hope you liked this format, and I'll see you next time, hopefully. Bye.